What if I told you that right in the heart of Nairobi, there is a place where history, peace, and tourism come together in one powerful space in the heart of Nairobi city in Kenya? Welcome to the newly refurbished Uhuru Park, Kenya's iconic symbol of freedom, now reborn into a world-class destination. Today, I'm taking you inside this transformation and showing you how it's not just a park anymore, but a movement for peace and tourism in Kenya. For decades, Uhuru Park has been the heartbeat of Nairobi, a place for rallies, relaxation, and national identity. It was temporarily closed in 2021 for a massive transformation, and after years of renovation, it reopened to the public with a completely new look. Today, what you see is cleaner, safer, and more beautiful than ever before. Let me show you what makes this place special now. Modern walkways and jogging tracks, beautiful landscaping and sitting areas, playgrounds and skating zones, botanical trails and green spaces for relaxation. Even the iconic lake is now surrounded by better views. Oh, even the iconic lake is now surrounded by better views, making it perfect for photos, content creation, and tourism experiences. And guess what? Guess what? Entry is free, making it accessible to everyone. The new Uhuru Park is quickly becoming a must-visit destination in Nairobi, Kenya. It attracts thousands of visitors every weekend. It attracts thousands of visitors every weekend, from locals to international tourists. This is what urban tourism looks like. A peaceful escape right in the middle of a busy city. It's now a perfect stop for tourists before heading to safaris or after exploring Nairobi. And the views, absolutely stunning. But Uhuru Park is more than beauty. It is a symbol of freedom. It is a symbol of unity. It is a symbol of peace. This is where Kenyans have gathered for decades to fight for democracy and express their voices. The renovation preserved this history, including monuments and Freedom Corner, reminding us of our journey as a nation. In a time when Kenya is preparing for future elections, spaces like Uhuru Park become even more important. They remind us that peace is power, and unity is strength. Young people are now using this space for creativity. Oh, how wonderful that young people are now using this space for creativity, for content creation, fitness, social connection, peace campaigns. This is exactly how tourism meets youth empowerment. So next time you are in Nairobi, don't just pass by. Next time you are in Nairobi, don't just pass by. Come experience the new Uhuru Park. Come feel the peace. Come see the transformation. Come and be part of Kenya's story. If you believe tourism can promote peace, hit like. If you believe tourism can promote peace, hit like. Subscribe for more Kenyan adventures. Comment. Would you visit Uhuru Park? Oh, travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Peace for tourism promotion and economic development. Tembea Kenya, ujione na ujienjoy. Peace be with you all.
This is Kenya. Welcome to Kenya. Tembea Kenya, ujione na ujienjoy. Peace for tourism promotion and economic development. Travel the world with me, your boy, Stevie God. Welcome.